Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, long time no do. I know I'm past the video because I post every week. Today's my day off and I've been feeling out shiznit balls. Today makes 4 days. So, bro, I don't know if I need to go to the doctor. I don't know what's wrong with me. This is legit weird. Like, I don't know if I got a stomach flu, stomach virus, or I don't know. Like 4 days ago, it all started off with me making a very disgusting meal. My dad enjoyed it because I cooked it well. The meal itself was not good to me. It was disgusting. So I'm staying away from broccoli. I'm staying away from greens. I'm staying away. And only could intake what I know my body could handle. No more trying new stuff. Done. The next day I woke up after having that meal. Plus, since I didn't enjoy it, I had greasy barbecue, sweet, spicy honey chips. And that was around like 8 o'clock at night. I woke up the next morning, had to go to work the whole entire shift. Super duper duper nauseous. Just so nauseous. I almost threw up while doing clients' hairs. I couldn't really talk to them. I wasn't myself. Thank God. Like, I actually did amazing that day for my goals in each and every single way. But I was like mentally and physically not there. I was just like suffering, cutting each and every single person's hair. Then the last 2 days, I barely ate. Like, I had maybe a banana, granola bar, and a honey bun for the whole entire day. That was one of the days. The other day, I don't even remember. Probably did the same thing. Yesterday, actually, I ate Chick-fil-A around 3. So that's the first time I finally eat within those last 2 days. It set really well. Like, I was full, finally. I had an appetite. I was hungry. And I enjoyed it, and I was completely fine. And my boyfriend ended up giving me a Jimmy John's, like a Frenchy, long, small, tiny sandwich with salami and cheese. Now, I don't know if that was like, that at 7, around 11 last night, my stomach was squeezy, gassy, like, you name it. And all of a sudden, all over again, I was feeling what I felt day one. Having run to the restroom, the worst experience. Like, I could go into detail. Some of you know I would go into detail in person, but since a lot of you are strangers, I don't want to scare you away. At 3 o'clock in the morning today, I had at my stomach, I was having a dream and I had to run again. And I was like, you know what? Nope. I'm going to squeeze it up. I'm going to ignore it. I want to sleep. Oh my God. And then like around 6:40 comes, and in my dream I literally was running to the restroom saying, move, I gotta go. And all of a sudden, like, I wake up from the dream. I'm like, oh my God, I gotta go. And I freaking run. It was like 10 times worse than the other time I had to run to the restroom. Just straight water. Number 3. Now I'm scared to eat anything. Like, okay, 1 hour.
You see that apple juice over there? Yup, that made me run again right after this video that you see.
Like, 2, I'm scared to eat anything. 3, I don't want to eat anything. 4, like, I told my mama all this and she says eat solid food. I don't know what to eat that's solid. Like, the banana I was fine with. The Chick-fil-A I was fine with. I mean, I'm drinking apple juice right now. Maybe that's not so good for my stomach, but I don't know what to do. I don't know what to eat. Like, water, yes, I could do water all day long. It'll give me a little bit of energy. This small chronic, you see? My stomach is bubbling again. It straight up is bubbling because I just drank that. And I think that's acidic, so you're supposed to stay more on the alkaline level. So I think I'm just making it worse for myself. But
went to the doctor and all they said was, I need probiotics over the counter. Woo! And now I'm taking them and I feel okay.
Boxycharm, Boxycharm, Boxy, yeah. Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, loose powder highlight. I don't really mess with loose powders. I'm not opening this and I'm not making a mess, but There we go, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this guy. I know there's a lot of makeup I actually got over there that I want to sell. That is all brand new. Holographic lip gloss. Whoa, make it beam over there. That's really cool. An eye pencil, which I'm definitely not going to use because I hate, if you remember, I hate eye pencils unless if I use it on the top and wing it out. Below waterline or tightline, hell no. Honestly, I'm not a fan of this month's Boxycharm. That's why I'm just flying right through. I'm not gonna try anything. But you can never have enough brushes. Luxie brushes, so awesome. Either below the lash line, putting concealer on, cut crease, any of that jazz. This is just a good blending brush, but one of the hairs are kind of stupid. And then I don't know what I would use this for. I guess a highlight brush, a blush. The heck? Comes with something in here. Oh snap, it comes with eyeshadow primer. That's cool. Usually nothing else is ever in a palette block box. So this is their Pure Fiesta palette. Oh wow, this actually looks really cool. Some like New Year's vibes or something. But there is all of the eyeshadows, and you can totally see all these cool ones at the bottom that I was talking about. What the hell? It says in 6 months you're supposed to throw it away? Goodbye. More like in 5 years. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment. Tell a friend to subscribe. Share this video with others. We are almost at 500 subscribers. My boyfriend agreed to me once we do reach 500 subscribers that we can do a video with him. So let me know if you want a crazy video, like, I don't know, he does my makeup, no arms challenge, not so much an eating challenge because you already know how my stomach is according to the beginning of this video. But anything like, I guess, makeup wise, personal wise. I mean, you always see us on cute adventures, challenges for sure, maybe a makeup challenge that he can do, anything you want to see. Me and him, challenge it on, let us know. Nothing with food, please, because I'm not trying to die. I'm already dying slowly inside. So yeah, comment down. We're almost at 500. Let's keep it up. Let's reach 1,000. Yeah. All right, guys. Yeah, but blessed day. Bye. And also comment down what you want to see in the future. Like, I'll show you Boxycharm. What else do you want to see? Yeah.